Hello students, welcome to in our channel Illuminating Infinity and Beyond. So if you are new viewer, please go and subscribe our channel. Now today I am going to do a very interesting chapter. The name of the chapter is Fun with Magnets. This chapter is generally included in class 6 and also it is included in class 9 also. Okay, so let's start. Here are something. Can you see the things whichever I have today here? Okay, so there are some magnets. Now can you tell me which is a magnet? Magnet is a substance which attracts iron, nickel and cobalt. So magnet is a substance. It is a substance which attracts iron, nickel and cobalt. So what are iron, nickel, cobalt? They are three elements. So magnet attracts these three things. Now there are different types of magnet. Acha, this magnet, have you seen ever this magnet? This is a bar magnet. This is called a bar magnet. Okay. So this bar magnet is basically rectangular shape. Okay. It's a bar magnet. So I am placing it here. It's a bar magnet. Okay. Any other bar magnet is here present? See this. This is also a bar magnet. Okay. This is also a bar magnet. Okay. Now I am placing it here. This is the bar magnet. Now in here there is a small magnet. But this is also of rectangular shape. So this is also a bar magnet. Okay, so I am placing it here. So these are the bar magnets. Also, this is also here. This is also a bar magnet. Okay, so I am putting it here. Now see these two. See the shape of the magnet. Shape of the magnet is U. Okay, so it's called a U-shaped magnet. It's a U-shaped magnet. Okay, U-shaped magnet. And this is also, you can see, this is also a U-shaped magnet. Okay, it's also a U-shaped magnet. U. Okay, so U-shaped magnet, I am putting it here. U-shaped magnet. In the U-shaped portion, it is a U-shaped magnet. Now see, what is this? This is looking like the ring now. This is looking like ring. So this is basically a cylindrical magnet or ring magnet. Ring magnet. So see, it's looking like a ring. It can be wear in the fingers. So these two are the ring magnets. Okay. Now here is another thing with me. That is the magnetic compass. So have you ever seen the magnetic compass? Okay, so it's a magnetic compass. See, this is a magnetic compass. So I am putting it here. And what magnetic compass do? Magnetic compass shows the geographical north and south direction. So see, wherever I will place it, it always forms in north-south direction. So see this arrow is representing the north. So this direction is north and this direction is south. Okay, so it's a magnetic compass. Okay, now I am coming to the next topic. What is a magnetic material? Okay, so magnetic materials, I just have told there are three magnetic materials. One is iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, so these three are the magnetic materials. Now I have something here. So there is some plastics. Okay, these are some iron nails. There is some plastic and this is made of foam. Okay, and this is also plastic. So I will bring the magnet towards it and I will see which will be attracted through magnet. Okay, so now I am putting one ring magnet and bringing it closer to these things. Okay, see, these are coming. These all are coming. Okay, these all are coming. But see, these things are not coming. See, See, it is not attracting. See, it is not attracting. It is also not attracting. See, this is also not attracting. So these are non-magnetic materials. Okay, let's try with the another magnet. So let's try with the bar magnet. Okay, let's try whether it will be attracted or not. No, nothing is attracting. But see, a bar magnet also it will be attracted. Bar magnet also it will be attracted. Okay, so that means I can conclude that these things are magnetic materials and all are here. I don't have the nickel and cobalt now, but if you find it, you will surely do the experiment with that. Okay, that they are attracting by the magnet or not. So these all are magnetic materials, and these things are non-magnetic material. These things are non-magnetic material. Okay. Now I will do another thing. Acha, this magnet, this is a bar magnet, this is a cylindrical magnet, this is a U-shaped magnet. Are these magnets attract the magnetic material throughout its body, or somewhere it has the magnetic attraction? So let's check. Here I have taken some iron dust. See, these are the iron dust. Okay, this is the iron dust. Okay, I have taken it. Now let me put this bar magnet here, and I will check whether all the dusts are attracted or not. Okay, so I'm putting it here. Okay, it is now inside. So what do you think? All the total magnet will attract all the iron pieces. Okay, let's see. This is the condition. You can check that two sides of the magnet has only this iron pieces. Only two sides of the magnet has iron pieces, but not at the middle. Acha. Now let's check with another bar magnet. Now let's try with this. Now I am putting it here. Now I am folding it here. Okay, the bar magnet. See, it's very clear that only two sides the irons gets attached, not in the middle portion. Very less are attracted towards the middle, and maximum is attracted here. Okay, I am putting it here. Now I will try with this U-shaped magnet. What will happen with this U-shaped magnet? Okay, so now I am putting it here. Okay, now when I will take it out, what do you think? What will going to happen? See, these two portions has the maximum, but this portion there is very less amount, right? There are very less amount. Okay, now I will do with this cylindrical magnet. This cylindrical magnet I am going to do. Okay, so I am putting it here. Okay, so what do you think? See, this side and this side and this side, maximum attraction is there. Okay, so what is our conclusion? From here? That magnet has the magnetic attraction at its end, maximum at its ends, two ends. For bar magnet it is at two ends. For a cylindrical magnet or ring magnet it is at two surfaces. For a U-shaped magnet it is also at end, very less at the center. Okay, so that means what? Where the magnetic attraction is maximum, they are the poles of the magnet. So a bar magnet has two poles. One is north pole, another is south pole. So today in this video up to this, in the next video we are going to learn about different properties of the poles, and also we will see some other experiments related to magnet. Okay, so please stay tuned in my channel, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share. Okay, bye.